In the shadowed corridors of the human soul, where light barely breaches the depths of our inner struggles, lies a philosophy so ancient, yet so potent, it can transform the very fabric of your existence. Stoicism. To make them miss you is not about games or manipulation, but about embodying the principles of a Stoic warrior, cultivating a presence so profound, they cannot help but yearn for your essence. The power of presence. Consider the silence of a mighty oak standing tall amidst a storm. It neither wavers nor boasts, but its presence is undeniable. In the same way, a true Stoic commands presence through quiet strength. We do not seek validation from others, but find contentment in our own company. This self-assuredness is magnetic. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. By mastering our internal dialogues, we project a presence that others will inevitably miss. Roman 2. Emotional mastery. Imagine a sea, calm and serene, despite the chaos of the winds above. This is the heart of a Stoic. We understand that emotions, like the weather, are transient. By mastering our emotions, we remain unshaken by external circumstances. Seneca wisely noted, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." By overcoming destructive emotions, we create an aura of stability and strength that draws others in. They will miss your calm in their storms. Roman 3. Purposeful actions. Every step we take, every word we utter, is deliberate. A Stoic does not act on whims, but on reasoned principles. We embody the teachings of Epictetus. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Our actions reflect a deep inner discipline, a fortitude that others find captivating. When you act with purpose, those around you will notice the difference. They will miss the clarity and decisiveness that you bring into their lives. Roman 4. The art of letting go. In a world obsessed with possession, we understand the power of detachment. To truly make someone miss you, paradoxically, you must be willing to let them go. As Epictetus teaches, he who is not a slave to riches, fear, or desire is free. By releasing our grip on people and outcomes, we cultivate an aura of freedom and strength. This liberation is intoxicating, drawing others closer even as we let them drift. Consistent self-improvement. We are committed to the relentless pursuit of excellence. Each day is an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. This journey of self-improvement, grounded in the teachings of Stoicism, is what sets us apart. As Marcus Aurelius reflected, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. This commitment to constant betterment is a beacon of light that others will inevitably miss when absent. Romans 6. The embrace of adversity. We do not shy away from challenges, but welcome them as opportunities for growth. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca asserted, difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. By embracing adversity, we demonstrate a resilience that is both inspiring and rare. Those who witness your unwavering strength in the face of hardship will long for your presence when they face their own battles. Romans 7. The depth of understanding. In our interactions, we seek depth over breadth. We listen more than we speak, and when we do speak, our words carry weight. We are students of human nature, understanding that every person we meet is a potential teacher. This depth of understanding creates connections that are profound and lasting. When you are truly present and engaged, people will miss the genuine connection you offer. Conclusion. To make them miss you badly, adopt the way of the Stoic. Embrace self-control and fortitude, overcome destructive emotions, and act with purpose. Detach from the need for approval, and continually strive for self-improvement. In this journey, we find that the essence of our presence becomes a beacon that others cannot help but miss. As we walk the path of the Stoic, we inspire others to follow, creating a ripple effect of strength, wisdom, and deep inner peace. Let us strive together, embodying the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, and become the presence that others yearn for in their lives.